You are welcome to the program Learn Twi with Opoku. In this very edition, we're going to learn some Twi vocabularies, phrases, prepositions, as well as some sentences. So stay tuned. Well, in Twi, when I want you to put something down, there are two ways that I will say it. For instance, assuming you have this milk and I want you to put down, there are two ways that I will say that. If I want you to put it down so that it will lie like this, there's a way of saying it. And if I want you to put it down so that it will stand also like this, there's a way of saying it. Okay, if I want you to put it down so that it will lie like this, then I will say fatoho, fatoho, fatoho. But if I want you to put it down so that it will stand like this, then I will say fesiho, fesiho, fesiho. Okay, assuming I tell you, put it down, and then you put it down like this. Then you can say edaho, edaho, edaho. That means it lies there. It lies there. Edaho, edaho. But if I told you fesiho, and then you did like this, then you can say esiho, esiho, esiho. Well, with this background, I think we can learn some prepositions. For instance, you can ask me, where is the milk? Where is the milk? Milk in Twi we say nufusuo, nufusuo, nufusuo. There are two words that are being combined here. We have nufuo, and that is breast. And then suo, which also comes from nsuo, that is what? Water. So literally we are saying breast water, nufusuo, nufusuo for what? Milk. And because it's a kind of liquid that we get from breast, then we call it nufusuo. Just as in English we have breast milk, in Twi also we say nufusuo, which means breast milk. Or the literal meaning is what? Breast water, nufusuo, nufusuo, breast water. But we mean what? Milk, nufusuo. Okay, if I ask, or if you ask me, where is the milk? Where? This is table. In Twi we call it epono, epono, epono. So where is the milk? Then I can say it is on the table, right? Aha. If it is lying like this, in Twi then I will say eda epono no so. Eda epono no so. So, that is what? On. Eda epono no so. Eda epono no so. If it is like this, and you ask me, where is the milk? Then I will say esi. Esi epono no so. Esi epono no so. I will not say eda. Eda has something to do with what? Sleeping or lying. So eda epono no so, then it will be like this. But if it is standing like this, then I will say esi epono no so. Esi epono no so. I think we can still learn some prepositions. This is a plate. Okay. We're going to use this to teach some prepositions. All right. I can put the milk here, that is beside it, in front of it, or inside it. Okay. Beside it, we say nkyɛn or nkyɛn. Nkyɛn. So, where is the milk? It is beside the plate. In Twi, I will say esi plate no or prete. As I've told you earlier on, Twi we mix English with what? Twi. So most people will call this plate rather than prete. Okay? So, where is the milk? The milk is beside the plate. Then I will say milk no si plate no nkyɛn. Nkyɛn, that is beside. Nkyɛn. Milk ni si plate no nkyɛn. The milk sort of what stands beside the plate. Milk ni si plate no nkyɛn. If it's lying like this, then I will say the milk lies beside the plate. In Twi, I will say milk no da plate no nkyɛn. Milk no da plate no nkyɛn. The milk lies beside the plate. If it is here, in front, it stands in front of the plate. Then you ask, milk no wɔ he? Milk no wɔ he? Where is the milk? Then I can say the milk stands in front of the plate. In Twi, I will say milk ni si plate no anim. Anim in front or front. Milk ni si plate no anim. Milk ni si plate no anim. If it is in this position, then I will say milk no da plate no anim. It lies. It's not standing. So I will say milk no da plate no anim. Milk no da plate no anim. Okay. If it is here, right now, it's hɔ. It stands. I can ask for further explanation, or you can ask for further explanation and ask, milk no wɔ he? Where is the milk? Then the answer will be, esi plate no nkyɛn. Esi plate no nkyɛn. It stands beside the plate. But if you want to be sure, which side of the plate? Is it left side or right side? Now it is what? On the left side. Enti esi plate no bonkum so. Milk no si plate no bonkum. Bonkum is left. Bonkum is what? Left. Bonkum is left. So I will say milk ni si plate no bonkum so. Milk ni si plate no bonkum so. If it is lying like this, then I will say milk no da. Da, not si. Da. Plate no bonkum so. Plate no bonkum so. Milk no da. Plate no bonkum so. Okay. If I put it here, how would you say that in Twi? Let me see your answer in the comment box. But if I place it like this, in Twi I will say milk ni si plate no nifa. This is nifa. Nifa so. Nifa so. Nifa so. Good. Instead of saying beside, in front, or whatever, someone might choose to say around. So the milk lies around the plate. Around, in Twi we say ehon, ehon. The air is just a prefix. Sometimes we do away with the air and we say hon. For instance, milk no da, plate no hon. I'm not saying milk no da plate no ehon. No. Milk no da plate no hon. That means the milk lies around the plate. If it is standing like this and I want to use around, then I will say milk ni si plate no hon. Milk ni si plate no hon. So hon means what? Around. What about this? It lies in the plate. Then I will say milk no da plate no mu. Mu means what? In. In. Milk no da plate no mu. What about this? Kindly write your answer in the comment box. This has been Learn Twi with Opoku. We'll continue in the next lesson. Keep on learning Twi with Opoku. And don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet done so. Share to other people so that they will also get access to my lessons. Thanks for listening.